Alright, late evening is here as we're near the halfway point of the first official week of September. September 9th, 2025. Seeing he's here. It is 22:34. Coming to you from Ladysmith, Wisconsin again with one more video lineup for you. Another northbound has arrived and had to hold tight for several minutes for the northbound Woodtick of the L56381 of the 9th to finish work at Ladysmith Yard. Now is underway again to its next stop of Stone Lake. As the northbound Woodtick is led by the IC6252. For this next northbound and my last train of the night, we have a GEVO to lead it as it slowly accelerates from stopping nearby mile of 351.97. We're going to check them out on the slow roll as it will then slowly accelerate away as we'll lean back and get them. Here we go. It's currently an advanced approach indication now for this next northbound. And she's got her wide open. Alright, northbound is here. She's got the turbos going. Let's check them out. Indiana. This is heading up to Symington Yard in Winnipeg, Manitoba, Canada. See what our DQ is on here. C6 Ripples. price is going. How about that? That is going to do it for the M343 91 of the 9th. And we'll do it for the Ex-Citirail of the 3971. And the DPU of the new C6M rebuild of the 3369. Definitely the second time now that I've seen the 3369. No? Hey, that works. Not bad at all. And that is going to do it for this video at Ladysmith, Wisconsin for tonight. Thanks for watching, everyone. Have a great night. I'll see you next time, and I hope I will see you along the main line. See you and Hayes out.